So we have followed Dr. Boss through 3 clinics. We started with her when she was kind of a brand new, I don't know, I think she was just beyond residency intern type thing. And then she started her own clinic, and then she built this incredible building. We love the green aspect of it. We love her compassion and her caring for dogs. We think that any vet who has dogs who have problems are awesome. And one of her dogs had club feet, another dog was missing, well, her cat's missing a leg. So there are lots of things that we just love about her. The people who work here, every single person who works here loves animals and really cares about you. You're not a number. You're not a number on a file form someplace. They know me by name. I mean, I don't even have to say my last name anymore. I just say, hi, it's me. And they know exactly who I'm talking about, and they know what's going on. And you can reach a doctor at any time, 24/7. If there's a problem, you call the answering machine. They'll call you right back. The service is awesome. Their care for dogs, they call and follow up. So we love it, and we have recommended to a number of people.